just deploy it, hit deploy. Okay, in the meantime, what we will do, I will create a subdomain. So it's done. Just copy this link and paste it here. I think I can see it. UI layout pro section. Hi, so I will show you how you can deploy a Next.js app in Coolify. So let me show you this one. So this is my Next.js project, which is deploy on Vercel, and these are the pro sections for UI layout pro. This one. Okay, so all the section, if I click on this, so this section I host it separately. Okay, so I will try to deploy these applications in Coolify now. Okay, so first let's add projects section, UI layout pro section, continue, and click on production and add new resources. And then I already connect my GitHub. So you can click on this private repository, or if you have public repository, you can click on this. Okay, and you can also test public repository like this one. So if you search Coolify example, you will get all the example over here for every single framework. Okay, like in Next.js, Node.js, Next, and then Rust, Strapi, okay, Byte. So just so now click on the private repository, click on this. Okay, now I need to search the section, pro section. So I need to search UI layout pro section, this one. Cool. So I will click on this, load repository. Is it a static site? It's not a static site. If it's a static site, then click on this and then click continue. And now you can click on environment variables. So before environment variables, I can give you some example. So I'm doing this last 2 weeks, deploying a couple of projects on Coolify, specifically 2 projects. So what I realized, when I add build command, like for installation pm I, build command pm build, then start command pm run dev, then what you definitely need the nitpicks.xml file. Maybe just wait. If I go there, where is it? This one, sorry, nitpicks.toml, or what it called tom, whatever. So you need this file in your repository or your folder, but I really don't want to add build command. Okay, and now I have some environment. So I have only one environment, which is this. You can add environment like this, or what you can do, click on developer view and just paste it. Okay, cool, this one. And if I just save, go normal view, did you see? So this one, pro section uilayouts.com. and if I click on general, so in general, now we can just deploy it, hit deploy. Okay, in the meantime, what we will do, I will create a subdomain. So I use Namecheap basically. Let me go to my UI layouts, advanced DNS, add another a record. Oh, I already have pro section. So this is my IP basically. So I'll just copy my IPs. I already have it. So I'll copy these, as these two has the same hosting platform, Coolify. Okay. Boom. Oh, it's already using it somewhere else. So I'm using it over here in Netlify. So I'll remove it for now. Okay, just wait, where is it? Project configuration. So I'll just delete it for now. So projects deleted. Okay, so now if I just go there and reload, it will be gone. And let me check, is deployed? I think no, it's still in progress. So show debug logs. So it's done. And now if I go to the configuration and just copy this link and paste it here, I think I can see it. UI layout pro section. And if I try to go testimonial 1, I cannot go. I mean 2. Oops. Okay, so let me just go here. This is the hero section. So if I just try to get this section, where is it? Boom. So as you can see, our Next.js app is deployed. Now we need to change our domain. Okay, so let's go there, and the domain is here. Okay, so what I need to do, just paste the pro section and it's a redirect to non-www.com. So now you just need to set direction. Okay, set direction, boom, save it, and whenever you save it, you need to redeploy it. And I'm using this one, KVM 2. So in Coolify, remember just one thing: you cannot build 2 projects at the same time. Then your VPS server will be crashed. Okay, you need to reboot your VPS again. So you can use Hostinger for VPS, or you can use this one. It's cheaper than Hostinger. As we can see, it's deployed. If I go to the deployments, it's successfully deployed. It's take 1 minute 46 seconds, but when it's fast deploy, it take 4 minutes 36 seconds. Sometimes it takes 7-8 minutes to deploy it. Okay, so it takes time. It depends on the VPS you're using. So if I just click on this now,
Boom. So this is working. This is how you can deploy your Next.js app in Coolify using hosting a VPS or whatever VPS you want to use. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.